Okay. Aisha, are you Uyghur?
你是维吾尔族吗？
是的，维吾尔族。
Are you a Muslim?
那你是穆斯林吗
You are not a Muslim?
？No。
What religion do you have?
那你信仰什么宗教呢
我信仰的是马列主义，对我是一个共产党员。
？Because she's member of the Communist Party,
Oh,
so
so
she's atheist.
she's an atheist. All right.
didn't.
So she doesn't believe in God anymore.
那你现在还信仰伊斯兰教吗？No。
Why not?
为什么不信教了呢？
我们国家有公民自由，信教也可以，不信教也可以。我现在不信教，这是我的自由。
It's her choice, because according to the Constitution of China, every citizen enjoy the freedom of religious belief. So it's up to the citizens to choose believe or not to believe.
Are you a Muslim?
那你是穆斯林吗？
不是穆斯林，
No。
But you were before Muslim?
之前是。
不是，
之前。
之前也不是，因为
Through watching the video clips and audio clips on the website, he just follow blindly with others and regarding himself as a Muslim.
But now he's not.
No.
You are not a Muslim now.
现在不是穆斯林。
不是
No.
不是穆斯林，
No. No.
Are you a Muslim?
那你是穆斯林吗
现在还是穆斯林。
我不是穆斯林。
？No.
But before you were a Muslim.
但是之前你是穆斯林。He was a believer before. However, now he realized that he didn't believe true Muslim. He believed extremist ideas.
I want to pray to Allah for you. Will you pray with me now?
他 Of course not. She is not.
Ask her. I know that.
他说，如果他向安拉就是祈祷保佑你，让你顺利健康，那你会不会向安拉也祈祷保佑他呢？
反正我不会信教。
She's not. She said she's not a religious believer. She hopes that you have good fortune or have a good trip in Xinjiang. But she wait a minute. But she will not pray for the Allah.